Hello guys and welcome to Blublock. Today we'll be coding on Scratch once again, and then today we'll be figuring out how to make sounds in Scratch and adding sounds to Scratch. So let's go ahead and start that. So first what we want to do is go into the sound section after we create a sprite. So let's go ahead and create a sprite and let's go into the sound section. So here now we're in the sound section. Each sprite already has like a preset sound, which is the pop sound. But it's just like a bubble popping sound. But you can here using the little changers here, you can make it faster. Or slower. And we can revert it back to normal using the undo. We just gotta press it a lot of times, because we're sure to change it a lot of times. There we go. And now we can make our sound louder. Or softer. Quieter, basically. And then we could also make it mute. So now we can't hear anything. Or we can make it fade in. If you have like a longer sound, it'll make it like, you know, it'll be quiet and then it'll be normal sounding. And then fade out is the opposite. It'll be louder and then go quieter. And then there's the reverse. We can reverse our sound. And now we could also make it like we can make it sound like a robot, sort of. But it doesn't really work well with this sound. So let's go ahead and revert it all the way back to normal. And here we can copy our sound and paste it. So now we have two of our sounds. And we can keep pasting it to make more and more and more. And then we could also use copy to new, and it'll make basically it'll make the same sound but like a new slot. So let's go ahead and delete that. And if you exit out of a sound, you won't have the chance to redo it back to its original form. So let's exit out of here, and then get a new one. Let's just do surprise, which gives you a random sound from the sound list. You can choose a sound and search from the entire list. There's many different sounds, but you can go ahead and do surprise, which is basically, like I said, anything. And we have this sound. So we can grab a piece and like extend it. And we can delete, so you can delete a part of the sound. So now we have, and because we cut a part of the sound off, so we can cut the entire thing if you want, but it's gonna get really small to the point where it's probably not gonna sound like anything. Yeah. So that's about it for sounds, but it's not really, because if you have a sound, if you have a sound you can import, you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead. If you press this button, you can upload a sound that you have, and I actually think I have one, and I forgot I don't. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into the extensions, and let's do music extension, and it still plays sounds, but it's not from the sound list, so you can't like edit in any way. But for example, let's play a piano sound. So we're still in our backdrop, we're not in any sprite, so let's go ahead and go into a sprite, because we're supposed to be in a sprite. So let's go ahead and do this, and when the sprite is clicked. Now the sprite isn't even anything yet, so let's just make it a purple circle. And then put it in the center of the screen. You can make any sprite as you could make any sprite. You can make a piano to it, so it actually makes a piano sound. But when you click it, it makes a sound. And you could also do this with the sound menu. So that's all you need to know about sounds. You can activate sounds by doing the when this sprite is clicked button, and you can use sounds by using the music extension, or it's just like as making music when the sprite is clicked. So you can just do like, I don't know, copy this and then add it together, and they have two notes, but you can make any song that you want, any sound that you want when a button is pressed, or whenever something happens. You can even connect them to the when I receive broadcast or message. So with that, yeah, I think that's all you need to know about using or adding and using sounds in your game. Remember to like, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Blublock out.